Welcome back to Daily Finance News. Today, we're talking about Apple Inc. AAPL, which recently reported a 4.3% dividend hike for the 11th year in a row, along with solid earnings and operating cash flow numbers. They also raised their share buyback program from $76 billion to $90 billion, making AAPL stock attractive to value buyers. Additionally, investors can pick up extra income by shorting out of the money put options. In this video, we'll dive deep into what this means for AAPL stock and how you can benefit from these developments. Section 1. Dividend hike and impact on shareholders. 1. Recap of our April 2 article predicting Apple's dividend hike. 2. Discussion of Apple's massive operating cash flow in Q1. 3. Announcement of the new annual dividend rate and dividend yield. 4. Explanation of Apple's preference for share buybacks over higher dividend yields. 5. How share buybacks reduced the dividend cost outlay and allowed for a higher dividend per share amount. Section 2. Share buybacks and investor reactions. 1. Announcement of Apple's new $90 billion stock buyback program. 2. Comparison of the new buyback program to the previous quarter's buyback numbers. 3. Discussion of Apple's intentions to spend more operating cash flow on buybacks. 4. Explanation of how the buyback program affects shareholder returns. 5. Examination of the buyback yield and what it means for investors. Section 3. Shorting out of the money puts for extra income. 1. Recap of our previous article discussing shorting $147 strike puts for the period ending April 28. 2. Explanation of the results of that trade and the potential annualized return. 3. Discussion of current opportunities to short OTM puts with similar yields. 4. Walkthrough of a sample trade using the June 2 expiration option chain. 5. Comparison of different strike prices and their respective annualized return potentials. Section 4. The benefits of investing in AAPL stock. 1. Summary of the dividend yield, shorting OTM puts, and buyback yield opportunities. 2. Discussion of the overall potential returns for investors in AAPL stock. 3. Conclusion that these developments make AAPL stock a worthwhile investment for the long term. Section 5. Apple's financial stability and future outlook. 4. Examination of Apple's financial health and stability. 5. Discussion of the company's track record of consistent dividend hikes and share buybacks. 6. Consideration of Apple's market position and the potential for future growth. 7. Analysis of the company's ability to maintain or increase dividend payouts and buyback programs in the future. 8. Conclusion that Apple's financial stability and future outlook support the case for investing in AAPL stock. Section 5. Apple's financial stability and future outlook. 1. Examination of Apple's financial health and stability. 2. Discussion of the company's track record of consistent dividend hikes and share buybacks. 3. Consideration of Apple's market position and the potential for future growth. 4. Analysis of the company's ability to maintain or increase dividend payouts and buyback programs in the future. 5. Conclusion that Apple's financial stability and future outlook support the case for investing in AAPL stocks. Section 6. Risks and considerations for AAPL investors. 1. Reminder that investing always comes with risks. 2. Discussion of potential risks and challenges facing Apple, including market competition, supply chain issues, and regulatory concerns. 3. Explanation of how these risks could impact AAPL stock performance and investor returns. 4. Recommendations for conducting thorough research and analysis before investing in AAPL stock or any other investment. Section 7. Alternative investment strategies with AAPL stock. 1. Introduction to alternative investment strategies for investors interested in AAPL stock. 2. Discussion of dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, as a way to grow your AAPL investment over time. 3. Explanation of long-term call options or LEAPs as an alternative way to gain exposure to AAPL stock. 4. Suggestions for diversifying your portfolio with other tech stocks or index funds to mitigate risks. Outro. That wraps up our analysis of Apple Inc.'s recent developments and what it means for investors. Remember that investing always comes with risks, so make sure to do your homework and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily Finance News for more in-depth financial content. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Happy investing!